Ever dreamed of biting into a cloud? Well, today we're making that dream a delicious reality with these unbelievably soft and fluffy Nutella Cloud Pancakes. Get ready for a breakfast experience like no other. Let's gather our simple ingredients for this magical transformation. We'll need 2 large eggs, separated, some granulated sugar, all-purpose flour, a pinch of baking powder and baking soda for that incredible lift, a touch of salt, creamy milk, melted butter, vanilla extract for warmth, and of course our star ingredient, Nutella. First, carefully separate your eggs. In a bowl, whisk together the golden egg yolks with our milk, that lovely melted butter, and a dash of vanilla extract. Give it a good mix until everything is perfectly combined. Now for the dry mix. In another bowl, combine the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Gently add these dry ingredients to your wet mixture. Remember, the secret to tenderness is not to overmix. A few lumps are totally fine. We want a light touch here. Here's where the cloud magic happens. In a separate, squeaky clean bowl, beat your egg whites until they transform into stiff, glossy peaks. This is crucial for that incredible airy texture. Now the delicate dance. Gently fold those beautiful, airy egg whites into your pancake batter in 2 additions. This is the ultimate technique for making your pancakes incredibly light and fluffy, like little edible clouds. Take your time and keep that air in. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or nonstick pan over medium-low heat. Pour about a 1/4 cup of our cloud-like batter for each pancake. Watch them magically puff up as they cook. Flip them when you see those lovely bubbles, and cook until golden brown on both sides. Look at how wonderfully they rise. And there you have it. Stack your glorious, fluffy cloud pancakes high. Drizzle generously with warm, decadent Nutella. Add a sprinkle of powdered sugar for that extra touch of sweetness, and get ready to dive into the most heavenly breakfast you've ever tasted. Pure bliss in every bite. Enjoy your delicious Cloud9 moment.